Most people may think that badminton is not unusual. It is nothing more than made of duck feathers and a cork. But in order to reach the quality standard of international badminton, every production process is extremely demanding. Workers first. Adjust the forward and reverse order of duck feathers to be consistent, and then put each feather into this sensitive filter. The filter will measure the combined data of the pen for each feather and classify it according to different specifications, lengths and sizes. If there are feathers that cannot be measured by the filter, this part will be screened manually by workers using a ruler. The screened feathers are assembled by another worker, and the hole puncher evenly punches 16 holes in the synthetic cork. Then the worker puts the feather on the robotic arm, and the robotic arm inserts the feather into the punched hole at a constant speed. The order of stacking each feather cannot be wrong, otherwise it will affect the flying speed of the badminton during hitting. Next, the worker will manually calibrate the position of the feather and place it in the wind tunnel to check whether its balance is up to standard. When one feather goes wrong, it affects the balance. Here is a semi-automatic gluing machine. The worker is responsible for placing the shuttlecock on the top of the machine, followed by the end probe to apply glue to the inside of the shuttlecock, and then 16 feathers are sewed together by a professional seamstress. Each feather has 2 rows of alternating white thread braids connected together. This method greatly increases the durability and strength of the shuttlecock. The part at the end is tied by hand by workers, and the excess thread is cut off. Next, these shuttlecocks will be handed over to the calibrators, who will complete the final calibration check to ensure that the balance and quality of each shuttlecock are up to standard. A qualified shuttlecock will be glued on the 2 white lines to increase its lifespan. The final product is hand-applied, with strips representing speed, green for slow and blue for medium. The processed shuttlecock also needs to complete the final quality test, and the shuttlecock is launched by the mechanical racket, so as to eliminate the unqualified parts. The badmintons that finally passed the test are packed into packaging buckets in groups of